Hello, and welcome to a tutorial on how to create forms and attachments, as well as how to apply them to jobs. First, we click on Forms and then Create Form. Here, we enter the form name and where it relates to. If it's a worker, this will force every worker on that job to fill the form out. If it's a vehicle, an asset, and a job, this will only force the timesheet manager to fill the form out. And finally, you will select where you want to apply the form to, which in this example will be all assets. Next, you choose to make it a required form. This means the employee must fill it out before submitting their timesheet. You can also allow multiple form submissions and include it in the paperwork, which means this form will be included in the final paperwork that sends with your invoices. Once this is all complete, just hit Create Form. This will then take you to a template where you can attach different form elements, such as a header, a read-only text, and a vehicle canvas. A vehicle canvas is used so that the employee can record where damage may have occurred on this vehicle during a job. Here is an example of one I completed earlier. Here you can see the ticket number, which can be found by scrolling through these top categories. You can even upload photos and attach files. You're also given the opportunity to make certain elements a required field, so that it forces the employee to complete this section so that they are able to submit the form. For example, is vehicle damage present? If the employee ticks yes in this example, they are able to draw where the damage is located on the vehicle canvas and also provide their signature. To test this form and see if it works properly, just hit Test Form. This will allow you to test out the form for yourself to check if you're happy with all the elements added. To pull up a print preview, just hit Print Preview. This will show a PDF version of the form. Once you are satisfied and all the elements are added, just hit Save. To attach the form to a job, just create a job. Fill it out, then hit Forms and Attachments down the bottom. This will take you to a page where you can add any previously created forms and attachments. To add an attachment, just click on this plus button here. Here, you can upload a file, insert from Drive, and or add a web address URL. To add a form, just search for the name of it here in the search bar. To make the forms required, just tick this box. To include it in the paperwork, tick this box here. Once that is all complete, just hit Save. To view the forms and attachments provided on a job, just go to the resource whiteboard and click on Forms and Attachments here. This will show you all forms and attachments provided. You can even preview it by clicking on this eye icon.